Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to talk about myself. I consider it a rare honor to be invited to speak here. My listening made me used to be very poor and I felt terrible about myself. I even consider myself a total failure, had no guilt, no dream, no hope for the future. When I started raising English, I began to change. I started to realize that I had meaning. I could control my future and influence the people. I finally understood my destiny was in my own hands. I learned that the purpose of life does a challenge is about my limits. I also realized that I care about others, live life service. I can judge to myself more trauma to contribute to society. Teacher Yang is an example for me. Even though he's excellent, he keeps on studying, practicing every day. He takes education as he likes, treats every student very kindly and seriously. He is a role model for many childless people. I follow Teacher Yang because I know that Tobacco has a message and words to succeed over the past years. He has touched countless people's lives. He has changed the face of education forever. Praising has become a legend. I get up early every morning, joining crazily before and after every meal. I practice every word, every sentence, and every passage. Personality. I have a very bad attitude. I'm disciplined and I have good habits. I always try my best to influence the people around me. Every day my pronunciation gets better. Every day my vocabulary increases. Every day my confidence grows. Every day I help more people. Crazy English has absolutely changed my life and made me a better person. That's why I strongly recommend Crazy English to everyone I meet. Now I know I can speak beautiful English. I know I can reach all my goals. I know my future is going to be very bright. I'm a big star. Nothing can stop me.